My name is Janelle Mayako, and I'm the CEO of Barn2Door. We have been building a platform for farmers essentially to be an all-in-one solution to manage and market their business. So what we do, like basic 101, is you have to have a website. You have to have a beautiful website because that's people's immediate association with your brand. We offer, as part of our solution, a website for every farmer that signs up with Barn2Door. We work with thousands of farms across the whole country. So we have well over 1,000 websites that are hosted on Squarespace. It's just very easy. Like, it's very plug and play. There's pre-existing templates that we can use for our websites. The templates are really important because it helps us save time when we're building sites. We can use the existing templates that Squarespace provides, or we can build our own custom ones that we can then also continue to reuse. Centralized billing, one invoice versus dealing with credit cards, is way simpler, and we can actually manage and control permissions. That pretty much means who can access the website. The fact that you can have some controls around that is really important from a business perspective, because for security reasons, you need to be able to lock down sites to just the farmer, but we can also give access to our account managers. And so if they need to pop in there and help them edit or change something, they can. It's very important to us to have a great relationship, a wonderful working relationship. We're looking for a best-in-class solution, one that makes sense for Barn2Door, but also really easy to use in this case for farmers. The website's really juicy. Like, it's so exciting to get that up there because it's this big brand splash, and it really helps those farmers just take their whole business to the next level. Honestly, farmers are floored. It's like they're just over the moon when they get these beautiful websites. They just feel really validated as a business to actually have this big, beautiful brand online. They should be very proud of, right? It actually tells their story. And so it's a really exciting, very fun process for us too, to be part of that.